Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here you will see how to improve phone signal and get a faster internet speed. So the first step is that you should go to your settings. Then in the settings you can go to apps and notifications, and here you just go to all apps. Here you can see this is app info. Straight away go to SIM toolkit, which will be available in let me search for it. Yeah, SIM toolkit. So once you go here you can see something called storage and cache, and you can clear cache here. So once you do that, your cache will be clear and it will help you get better networks. I go back. Here you can easily, in Android 11 or above, you can easily search for that also instead of going all the long process. SIM toolkit. You can see the SIM toolkit has automatically come. So directly you can go by following the search button. So the second step would be that you should go to your networks. Go to Wi-Fi and network. In Wi-Fi and network you can click here, and here you can see okay, you have to go to SIM and network again, and here you can see there is something called data saver. So once you press data saver, make sure that it is off. If it is on, then you will have very restricted data usage when you are using your phone. So make sure it is not switched on, it is switched off. So once it is switched off, you can feel the speed, or you can see whether the speed has increased or not. So this is the second step. So again, in your Wi-Fi network, the third step would be to enable both 4G in your dual SIM. That is, click on Wi-Fi network, and you can see here SIM and network, and here you can go dual 4G networks. For some reason, if it is switched off, then it will not take 4G network even if your SIM is 4G and you have 4G network. So you have to enable. Sometimes in the second SIM, usually it doesn't go, or it doesn't connect to a 4G network. So click or enable this option and see that your dual 4G networks are enabled, and this would make sure that whenever a 4G network is available for your second SIM as well, it will get connected. And if at all you are using the second SIM, the network 4G network would not be a problem. And sometimes a situation may come, that is the fourth step. If you are on roaming, that is, if you are out of your state, then go to SIM and network. Perhaps you would have not enabled your roaming, enabled to get that network while roaming. So go to again Wi-Fi network, then SIM and network, and for example I am going to SIM 1. So here you can see to it that your roaming is switched on. Sometimes when you are in outer state, by default the roaming gets switched off. So even if you are getting full signal, but you will not get the internet or data if this feature is not switched on. So make sure that your roaming is also switched on. But before doing all these things, try to do this thing, that is switch on the airplane mode. Just stay there for 1 or 2 minutes and then switch it off. So once you do that, the phone resets everything, and hopefully it connects to a good network available in that area by your SIM card. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you got 4 to 5 very useful tips how to improve your phone signal strength and get faster internet on your mobile. So if you found this video useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Infotainment for getting more of such videos. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again soon. Thank you.